welcome to my channel Liana B. So today's topic is so interesting. You will also enjoy a lot, and you will also try to make this, and you will actually make this for your birds. Today we're going to be making a bird feeder for my birds, and you can also make this for your birds. So let's get started. Some ingredients, right guys? Of course guys. So I'm gonna be showing you the instructions. So let's get started. First we need a like these bowls, or you can have anything like this, or a toy basket. You must be getting this in your Barbie dolls supplies. And we need one white or any cloth. That's it. The making thing is so easy. So let's get started now. We need only these two things, and it's super easy to make this. Okay, so let's get started. What you need is this basket. Second you need is this white cloth. You have to keep it inside like this. You can see how I'm doing. Okay, you need an sellotape. So now what to do is you have to stick these parts very nicely, that if they will not removed, and you have to stick it from all sides. You can also stick from this side, from like this. I had sticked here. Now we have to stick this part also. So let's stick this part also. Here, look, I'm sticking it. Okay, but make sure that you had sticked it very nicely and harder. Look, stick from these both sides. Okay, I have this sellotape, and now you have to stick it from here. You can see how I'm sticking. Look, this part has also sticked. Guys, we have to keep some this nest making pot inside this, so they will make more fluff and they can eat very nicely. You can see if you will not have this, you can buy it from online or anywhere. I'm keeping some fluff inside this for them. Okay, make sure. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey guys, so just enjoy and see, like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, there. This is also ready. So there guys, our nest, our bird feeder is ready and very nicely made. Now you can give this to your birds. Inside this you can keep some birds food and like that. Liana B. And so if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I want to tell you something, you all guys. If you are new in my channel, so just comment in the comment section. I will see and message you, welcome you in my new channel. I'm in my channel. So bye guys. Mwah.